Imagine waking up to an AI that effortlessly tracks all your spending, warns you before bills are due, finds cheaper subscriptions, instantly detects possible fraud, and builds a long-term investment plan in seconds.
Sounds like science fiction? It's already happening. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way people manage money. But here's the real question. Will AI help you build wealth, or could it lead you into costly mistakes if you rely on it too much? Let's find out.
AI in finance isn't a robot replacing every financial advisor. Instead, think of it as a powerful assistant. Banks use AI to detect fraud. Investment platforms use AI to analyze huge amounts of market data. Budgeting apps use AI to help people understand where their money goes every month. Instead of spending hours analyzing numbers. But speed doesn't always mean perfect decisions. AI works with data, personal goals, emotions, or life circumstances.
That's why understanding how AI works is just as important as using it. First, smarter budgeting. AI-powered budgeting apps automatically categorize your spending and show where your money is leaking.
You might discover you're paying for subscriptions you never use. Second, fraud detection. Banks now use AI to monitor unusual transactions in real time. If something suspicious happens, many systems can flag it quickly, helping reduce financial losses. Third, investment research.
AI can summarize financial reports, compare different companies, and organize market information much faster than any human can. This saves investors time, but it doesn't guarantee profitable investments. Remember, every investment carries risk.
Now here's the part most people ignore. AI is incredibly powerful, but it's not magic. It can make mistakes. It can misunderstand unusual situations.
And sometimes it produces answers that sound confident but are inaccurate. Markets can also change suddenly because of unexpected events that no AI can predict perfectly. That's why smart investors use AI as a research tool, not as a replacement for critical thinking. Never invest money based only on one AI-generated answer.
Always verify important financial decisions using reliable sources. Over the next few years, AI will likely become even more common in personal finance. We'll see smarter budgeting tools, more personalized financial recommendations, better fraud prevention, and faster customer support from banks. People who learn how to use AI responsibly may save time and make more informed financial decisions. The goal isn't to let AI control your money. The goal is to use AI to make better decisions while staying in control. Artificial intelligence is changing finance faster than ever before. The biggest advantage won't go to the people who fear AI. It will go to the people who understand its strengths, recognize its limits, and use it wisely. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about investing, personal finance, AI, and building long-term wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.